That one, you know it. It still ain't big enough, though. I'm telling you what, it might rock my chimney a little bit, but
It'll get upset now.
oh really? I've seen some trees do some crazy shit, and rarely have I ever seen them do exactly what you say they were going to do. Now, if you keep it to yourself and you think it's going to do that, usually that's the way it'll go down. I just don't know about the chimney. I mean, something may very well. I mean, you know, something. What, baby?
Wait, no, it can't.
It'll be a very interesting picture. Oh, if it plants itself in the chimney, I'll just go home and say, well, I've got enough footage. Yeah, he nailed something over it so